continuing with the previous example, let's look at B part. LMP. L to M to P. That's the smaller little triangle. I've drawn it here. LMP. Must be similar to triangle RPQ. RPQ. That's the larger triangle, RPQ. Okay? Now, let's see if we've been given any of their angle measurements. Well, from the previous example, we knew that these two angles are supplementary. If this one was 43, then this angle was 180 minus 43, which gave us 137. So I know that this angle is 137. Now let's look at triangle RPQ. I know that Q is 43. I've been told that. Q is 43. Now, I do not know angle R, but let's look. They both share angle P. That both of them have angle P. Therefore, P is congruent to P. So, but do I know that M and R are congruent? I do not. So here I have one pair of angles congruent, but I cannot prove that either one of these are congruent. I cannot prove that L and M are congruent to R and Q. So therefore, I do not have enough information, so B part is false. Next, let's look at C part. C part, RPQ, RPQ, that's this large triangle here, RPQ. I know that Q is 43, I was told that. All right, I'm being asked, is it similar to RNL? RNL, the larger triangle going to the right. RNL. Well, I do know that L is 43. So here I have Q is congruent to L. Now, I don't have P and I don't have N. But look, they both share R. If they share the same angle, then you know those angles are congruent. Angle R in this triangle is congruent to angle R in this triangle. Therefore, we do have two angles of one triangle congruent to two angles of another. Therefore, yes, this is a true statement that triangle RPQ is similar to RNL. And last, let's look at D part. D part, QMN, the little small triangle, QMN. I know that Q is 137. Okay, all right, and we're needing to know if it's similar to RNL, R to N to L, this larger triangle, RNL. I do know that L is 43. They both share N. If you notice, they both share N's. N's congruent to N. But I don't have enough information to know that two of these, Q and M, I don't know that they're congruent to R and L. I don't have enough information here. So this is a false statement. I do not have enough information to prove that QMN is similar to RNL.